Matt and Jared.
What's up, everybody?
Out here at Big Pine. We just got a fresh shipment of these CFMoto ZForce. This is the Z10 4, the Z10 just two-door, and I'm gonna have Jared show you where the batteries are at on these. Now, I don't think the battery is gonna go bad as fast as we are getting these in, but just in case you leave your key on or your battery dies, Jared,
you gotta know where it's at, right?
Yep.
So every machine is different on where battery location is. Some throughout the years are easier to get to, some are harder to get to, just the way that it is. But on the Z10, check this out. All you're gonna do, open up the rear door on the four-seater.
We're gonna swing over to the other side here so we can see this. So, passenger side rear door.
Passenger side rear. Let me take my glasses off. Matt caught me off guard here.
Sorry.
So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little strap right here, pull up on the strap, give it a nice tug forward.
There you go.
The seat's gonna come up and it's right here. Easy to get to, easy to throw a battery maintainer on it. The seat does come all the way out just by pulling it this way. But an easy thought is throw a battery tender lead on there, having it stick out on the side, then you won't even have to put the seat forward. But nonetheless, easy to get to, easy to maintain here on the new 2026 ZForce Z10.
There you go, you guys. If you want one of these or get your name on the list for one of these, make sure to give us a call or come see us in person. Phone number is 435-427-3338. And I actually had to ask Jared where the battery was. I wanted to do a video and I had to ask him, so thanks for doing that. Appreciate it.
Tip for you.
Yep.
You want to know a tech tip?
What's that?
When you go to put the seat back,
okay,
Matt, don't be a wimp about it. You just got to go like this. I recommend pulling the seat belt out of the way. Boom, you're done. See that? Give it a nice tug. Make sure it's good to go. Check out our other videos. Maybe we'll quiz Matt and see if he knows where the air filter is. Stay tuned.